BC. You're here with Jared and we're talking about BC work tips. This is all about making BC work better. Well, this one's tip 3. So we're in number 3 and we're talking about how do you enter focus mode? What is it? Well, let's pretend that we're in a sales team and we're currently working on a quote, okay? And in any document that has lines, you can enter into, this is just an example. And although I can make this full screen, I may have a big data grid that I'm working on. So down here on the line, we click this toggle, enter focus mode. And here we are. We now get a full screen view. It gives us more landscape that we can work on. And when we're done, we can just hit the toggle and hit exit. The same thing works for purchasing. If I was in a purchase order, let's go into a purchase order. And here's one here, straight into focus mode. And the same now applies. We have our full screen perspective focus view. It's a great feature from Microsoft. Use the work tips, see if you can save some time in your daily grind with what you're doing within Business Central. I'll see you in the next video.